Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It is update day. Big things are happening very soon. Tomorrow, the company that is installing the carpet will be here, and all the carpet will be installed all in this area and then down through the hallway here. So I have some work to do. I got to get all this cleaned up and put away, so that way when they come and actually install a carpet, it'll be ready to go. I can't remember what I filmed in the last time, but the countertops are all installed now and everything's good. I need to get the faucet and sink connected up so that way I can start using that. I need to get the TV hung up, and then I need to pick a stain color for these shelves. I've got a couple of test colors. Hopefully we'll be able to pick one that'll look nice there. I got my push broom here. I'm going to be sweeping up, trying to get some of the dirt and things that were tracked from outside. I'm going to be cleaning up all of these spare pieces of wood, get this all broken down and cleaned up and put away. Table needs to be taken down and all this stuff. Get this wrapped up, put away. Everything needs to be tidied up so that way, literally when they get in here, they can just lay all the carpet down and be done. Sitting here, this is exciting because this is going to be the linear drain that I'm putting down into the bathroom. It comes with all the pieces. This is a sizable one, which is nice. So it's actually quite big, so you can cut it down to the size that you need it to be. And then this carpet remnant piece will be taken up, and then all of these pieces will be taken out. I now have this threshold. This threshold piece is actually a piece of quartz. It's actually cut from the same quartz that is on the bar top, but it's cut to the same width here, and I just need to get my little multi-tool out, cut out a piece on both sides, and then slide this into place and then get it epoxied down to the floor. And then that way the carpet will have a nice spot to finish up against like this, and then the tile will have a nice place to finish up against as well. So that should have a nice completed look. All right, so anyway, that's it. Let's get to work. All right, mostly clean now. Just got a little bit left to go. I'm gonna be sweeping things up. I might actually even end up mopping down here real quick before I get completely finished. So tomorrow, carpet company will be here, putting all the carpet in, and I'm really looking forward to that. I'll do a quick walkthrough when I get everything cleaned up as before, and then when the carpet people finish doing the installation, I'll do an after at the end. We're getting real close now. Alright, so the carpet guys were here and installed the carpet yesterday. So I guess now is the big reveal of a finally usable basement space. I'm so excited about this. I can actually use this space now, get my kids down here, turn this into their playroom so they can run around and have fun. I'll get my TVs and stuff mounted. No more talking. Let's flip the camera around and I'll show you the basement. Alright, so starting here at the landing, coming down the stairs, you guys have seen a few of my videos here. This is how it's turned out. I still have to do a little bit of touching up of paint and stuff on the walls, but this is how the handrail turned out on the landing coming down to the basement. It looks great. The carpet got installed. Everything looks really nice. It's too bad that my kids have already been running around down here because I had the really nice like vacuum stripes in here. Should have done the video then. That's all right. Oh, you can see a couple. There's still a couple left there. Anyway. But yeah, this goes into my storage room. And then this goes here into the bathroom, which still needs work. You know what? All right, so let's walk into the main part of the basement. Everything turned out great. I'm really pleased. I am so excited. It's been a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of hours, blood, sweat, and tears down in this room. To actually have it now to be a usable space, this is fantastic. Thank you all for watching the videos as I've been going along. I think I will probably do some final wrap-up videos here when I actually get the bathroom done, because the bathroom is still not done yet. But now I can actually get down in here. I can let my kids, I can set up my kids' playroom, which is this area right here, and then the kids can come down here and stop messing with the rest of the house. And yeah, pretty soon I'll be able to get my TVs up and get the bar area all set and as well, and we'll be able to really start using this space and just really starting to enjoy it, which is the whole reason I built it. And yeah, so anyway, if you guys have questions about anything that you've seen in these videos, go ahead and drop them down here in the comments, and I'll try to see if I can answer any questions that you guys might have. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I did all of this. If you guys are thinking about finishing your own basement, give it a shot. I think you could probably do a better job than you think you can. I am thoroughly impressed with how good a job I did, and I have literally no training in any of this, and I just tried it myself. So I've got some more videos coming up. I'll be getting into the bathroom stuff here pretty soon, and then I think what I'll do is when I get the bathroom finished, I'll do a final wrap-up video that covers everything that I've done, that covers all of the materials I use, the costs, and basically goes through everything kind of soup to nuts. Let me know if you think that would be a useful video. It'll probably be another couple of months until I get all the stuff in the bathroom done. I'm still waiting for my wife to make some choices on tile. Pretty cool. We got to buy a bunch of furniture. We got some other stuff that needs to get done as well, and need to buy some pendant lights and put a TV up and some other things, some furniture. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys following me along on this basement adventure. It's been really fun, and I'm actually re-recording the intro to this video because we're actually getting close to hitting 1,500 subscribers. So I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that's kind of been following me along on this basement finishing project. So actually I wanted to show you the rest of it. I've actually got the TVs hung up on the walls now, so I wanted to put that into this video as well. So I'll do a quick scan through to show you the TVs mounted on the wall. So here is the bar with the TV installed. It looks great. Turned out exactly how I wanted. So still have to get the pendant lights, which will hang down out of the ceiling there, and then still need to figure out what color we're going to do the shelves, what color stain we're going to do on the shelves. But that is what it's going to look like. Then over here, this TV is hung up on the wall now. It looks great. What's really funny is that wall is 16 feet across. That TV that is hanging on the wall is actually 75 inches, and it looks pretty small up there. I kind of feel like maybe I should have gone with an 85, but that's all right. I still like it. It looks great. Never mind what's going on here with the sound bar. We have furniture. Man, ordering furniture and getting furniture shipped is like a nightmare. I wonder if you comment down below if you guys are also having trouble getting furniture, and it's like 3 to 6 month wait. So I've got my sound bar just kind of sitting there on an old box, and the couch that's going to go down here is, well, it'll get here eventually, I guess. Yep. So anyway, it looks great. The boys have started moving their stuff down here. This is kind of torn up, but this is the kids' playroom, and everything's a mess. My boys are almost 9 and almost 6, and so anyway, they make a real mess of things. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.